In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view sensitive content on Twitter.
For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it.
So guys, this is actually a really simple thing to do, and for me it is easier to do this on a desktop, PC or laptop. And once you are logged in to your Twitter account on your PC, what you can do is you can come to the left hand side bar here, go all the way down to more, click on more, and then you will get all these options here. You will need to click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you will need to go over and look for privacy and safety, which is right here. Click on that, and then what you will see on the right hand side of your screen is a load of options here, and the one you will need is content you see. So click on content you see, and this will come up here. So display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you are wanting to view sensitive content on your Twitter profile, all you need to do is check this little box here, and once you do that, that setting will be enabled. So that's how you can go ahead and view sensitive content on Twitter.